Prep Test 70, game number 3, question 18 asks us, if S and R are shown on the same screen together, which of the following must be true? So we'll bring up our chart here, our diagram, and we'll notice right off the bat that R can't be in screen 2 and S can't be on screen 3. Therefore, S and R, if together, must be on screen 1. And we don't really care what order they go in. We have H, M, and W left. Remember that H and M cannot be shown together. Therefore, one of them must be over here in the space 3. The other one must be paired with W in theater 2. So which of the following must be true? W is at 7 p.m. Thus far, it's looking pretty certain that W is at 7 p.m. because remember that W can never be shown at 9 p.m. and we also can't put it at 8 p.m. here. So this is looking pretty good. S is at 9 p.m. No, we don't care which order S and R are in. M is at 8 p.m. No, because M and H are interchangeable, so it could be true, but doesn't have to be. Does R have to be at 9 p.m.? Nope, it's interchangeable with S. And finally, does H have to be at 8 p.m.? No, it's interchangeable with M, so the correct answer is A.